Hey, what is going on YouTube? Mike here back with another video. So today we're taking a look at the Edifier ES20, which is a new portable Bluetooth speaker from Edifier. It is part of its ES series of speakers, which includes the ES60, which we also featured here on the channel. With that said, we're going to take a look at this much smaller speaker this time around. And with that said, let's get started. Alright, so doing a bit of unboxing, there's not much that you get with the ES20. You just get the speaker itself alongside a USB-C charging cable as well as some paperwork including your instruction manual. You also get a lanyard strap which you can sling around the side of the speaker. Now in terms of design, the ES20 does have a mostly uniform look with the ES60, although it is obviously much smaller. It's available in both black and white, and we do have the black version here. And like the ES60, it does come with a leather-like texture to it. Although taking a closer look, it does feel a bit rubberized. And yeah, overall it does have this nice retro styling to it. And I do like how Edifier has designed the ES series. Now it does come with a set of physical controls which are located on top of the speaker. You get a button for the built-in lighting system, your volume controls, as well as the power button. Like the ES60, it also comes with a set of LED indicators which display your wireless connection status, your battery levels, and there's also a built-in microphone on top which the speaker uses during phone calls. The design also comes with IP67 dust and water resistance, so if you're going to take this to the beach or maybe a pool party, it should be safe from most splashes, although I wouldn't really recommend submerging it entirely underwater. And yeah, overall it is a pretty portable speaker and is a lot more pocket friendly when compared to the ES60. And another key design feature of the ES20 is the built-in ambient lighting, which is located on the back of the speaker. So with the ES60, Edifier did place the lighting system underneath, but with the ES20, it does go on the rear of the speaker. Now for audio, it does work with SBC codecs for playback, and you do get a full range 43mm driver as well as a 55mm passive bass radiator. For audio connectivity, you do get Bluetooth 5.4, and it does support multi-point connections as well, so you can simultaneously connect two devices to the ES20. There's also support for Bluetooth stereo pairing, so you can pair two ES20 speakers for more immersive audio. Like the ES60, it also supports different sound effects, so you get one for music playback, gaming, movies, as well as outdoor audio, which is handy if you're planning to use the speaker in different situations and environments. And yeah, here's a quick sample from the speaker for you guys, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Now the speaker does work with the Edifier Connects app, which allows you to tweak the settings on the ES20, like the different sound modes and even the lighting system, so you can customize how the built-in lighting looks on the ES20. Now as for its battery life, Edifier says that the ES20 can last for up to 15 hours of playtime, which should last most people, so you're not really going to have to charge this pretty often. As for its price, the Edifier ES20 does range from around 70 to 90 bucks, and it does compete with other portable speakers like the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom series, which are usually found at around the same price as well. So yeah, that does it for this quick video. Let me know what you think about the Edifier ES20 in the comments below. Are you guys gonna get one of these, or do you already have it with you? Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.